Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your account on Amazon Prime. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then type in amazonprimevideo.com in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Prime Video. Tap on the account icon at the top right corner and then tap on the sign in button to proceed with logging in to your account. You will then be asked to enter your credentials. Type in your email address or your phone number followed by your password within the credential box and then click on the sign in button. You will now be logged into your account, from which you can tap on account and settings from the profile menu, and now you will be allowed to edit your details. Tap on edit on Amazon and then tap on the account icon at the top right corner. You can now tap on see all account and then tap on close your Amazon account from data and privacy. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked to read through the instructions carefully. Just choose your reason for deleting your account within the reason drop-down menu and then tap on yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account. You can then tap on close my account and you will be asked to confirm your account deletion. Go ahead and check within your inbox and you will find a link that you can tap on in order to confirm your account deletion. And after you tap this, your account will be deleted within a few days. And there you have it. That is how you can permanently delete your Amazon Prime account using your web browser or your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.